In today's fast-paced society, we do not have the luxury of spending 10 to 20 years trying to be a skilled acupuncturist. The goal is to improve patients' outcomes as soon as possible. There are numerous acupuncture schools out there, but without doubt, the Master Tung in combination with TCM acupuncture system creates great results. I am Master Visuddhi Lee from Malaysia, and I am delighted to be coming back to India to conduct the now popular Master Tung workshops. This time round, I will be in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Kochi. For 2 days, I will personally coach you to become a Master Tung style acupuncturist. We will demystify the differences between TCM and Tung acupuncture. You will learn to needle correctly, safely, and painlessly. Together, we will explore 80 of the top Master Tung points and delve into bloodletting techniques, guasa, and moxibustion. We will discuss managing pain disorders, stroke management, and infertility. We will discuss also addressing all your doubts about theories and clinical issues. As a bonus, you will receive the best of TCM and Master Tung books. They will be your study materials. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned acupuncturist, these workshops will upgrade your confidence, knowledge, and skills to face the challenges today. All I ask is your attention, and together we will succeed in the transformation that you desire. I look forward to seeing you, to sharing knowledge with you, and to have a great fellowship. Thank you so much.